Hello everyone, welcome to Acuity Civil Engineers. In this video, we are explaining a very important topic pertaining to the architecture and engineering of a building, and that component is building plan. So we often have customers coming to us and asking for an explanation of the building plan. So what is a building plan and what are its components? So why is it very important to understand a plan? Because it is your building that you are going to live in, and if you don't understand the plan and sign on it and get an approval, at the end of the day you might end up in finding that you are not happy with the building, with the space that you are living in. So everyone should understand the plan very thoroughly so that you do not regret later. Hello, I am Anindita, and in this channel we bring content related to architecture, civil engineering and interior design. And if you have interest in this kind of a content, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and push the bell notification button to all. So a plan is a combination of some lines and some symbols and some numbers. And the actual thing is very simple and easy to understand. Once explained properly, I am sure each one of you will be able to understand the plan thoroughly. And I will be sharing my screen now to make you understand each and every component of the building plan. So we are doing a 2 BHK apartment building plan today, and I will explain everything that you must know about this plan. And there are actually 6 components, and the 6 components are: number 1 is the floor plan, which might consist of different floor plans for different floors of the building. Then there is the elevation, there is the sectional elevation, there is the site plan, and there is a name plate, and there is a location plan which shows the neighborhood, so that one can easily find out the plot where the work will be taking place. So let us now dive deep into the subject and follow the screen for a detailed explanation. This is the plan of a G+4 cooperative building. In the ground floor, there is mainly parking. There are 4 floors, first, second, third and fourth, and in each floor there are 2 flats. So as you can see, this is one flat and this is another flat. So total there are 8 flats. So I will start with the components of the building plan. First I will start with the ground floor plan. So this is the ground floor plan, and it shows the components, which are the parking spaces. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parking spaces, and there are rooms which include the caretaker room and the toilets and pump rooms, other utility rooms, and we can see that there is a stair and there is a lift, and there is a lift lobby, there is a staircase landing cum lobby. So in this plan we can also see the road, and this red line is the boundary wall of the building. So this is the boundary, and the green line is the built up area, that is how much area the building is occupying. Moving to the other floor plans, in this particular case the first floor plan was different. Second, third and fourth floor plans are typical, that is the same. So let us see what is there in one plan. So every flat, let me do with the typical one. In every flat there are 2 bedrooms. One is this with attached toilet and a box room. Box room you can use for dressing also or for storage. There is a living dining, there is a kitchen, there is the second bedroom, and there is one small WC, which was the requirement. WC is a water closet, that is a very small toilet, and which only contains one basin and one commode. And there is the second bedroom with a front side facing balcony and another toilet with a box. There is a backside balcony also, and when somebody enters through the lobby, he enters directly into the living room. So that is how a plan is laid. Why is it called a plan? Because we are looking it from above. We are looking it at the window sill level, which is also called window telanchi level, keeping our eye at that level, and we look at the floors and we can see the rooms here. So I think it is clear. If it is not clear, you can ask questions about the plan. So, and this is the roof plan, which also shows the lift machine room and the overhead reservoir. Coming to the nameplate, the nameplate contains the details of the drawing, the name of the architect, the name of the civil engineer, the geotechnical engineer. It contains the plot area statement, contains the schedule of doors and windows. And as we said, it has got the site plan, which shows what is there on each side of the plot. And we got the location plan, which says how we can approach this particular plot from the main location of NKDA, that is Newtown. So these are the plans of the overhead and the underground reservoirs. This is the detail of the boundary wall. This is the detail of the gate. Now coming to the front elevation. This is how the building is going to look from the front. If I look at the building, this is the two-dimensional elevation of the plan. Based on this, we also create a colored three-dimensional elevation of the plans. But this is not included in the building plan sheet. That is a different computer-generated photograph. Then we have this. This is the sectional elevation. This is another sectional elevation. And that is mostly what is covered in the building plan. I hope everything was explained very clearly, and if it did help, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. Links are given in the description. And if you want any kind of assistance in making a building plan, you can definitely get in touch with us at the WhatsApp number given or the email ID given, or you can also contact us on our website or Google business profile. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section so that we can promptly answer your issue and get it solved for you. Thank you so much. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.